Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's short video, I want to share just a fun summary video of a recent activity I participated in with some family and friends in Las Vegas, Nevada. And then discuss briefly why I believe this and other type of activities like this help us when it comes to a self-reliance and preparedness mindset. If you haven't noticed, the shirt might give you a hint, but let's jump in. Alright guys, here we go. Off to the Spartan.
Let's go.
It's our first Spartan in Vegas. We'll cut through here, yeah. Got our 10K. So it should be fun. Can't wait. Okay, maybe we can wait, but we got a little bit of time, but should be fun. Again, this is one of those where we just go to have fun and trying to test ourselves a little bit, physically, mentally, see what things we can get through. So, all right, guys. So, as I said, we kind of jump into this. A lot of times we talk about the 3 P's: you plan, prepare, and then you practice. So this is one of the fun ones that we do for practice, where you go do some fun things with friends, family. You kind of go out and have some fun doing things, trying to test yourself, either learning how to use some of the gear that you have, or again, just physically trying to test yourself a little bit more to see what can you do and what can you put yourself through a little bit to try and test and see what you're willing to do and can get through.
Who am I?
I'm Spartan.
I said, who am I?
I am Spartan.
The Spartans prepare for victory.
Let's go.
I believe we can write our story. I believe we can be an army. We are the warriors who learn to love the pain. We come from different places, but have the same name. Cause we were born for this. We were born for this. We are the broken ones who chose to spark the flame. Watch as our fire rages. Our
All right, gentlemen, it's official. How'd it go?
That was
Rocking
awesome.
it.
We're all hobbling.
We're all hobbling a little bit. But no, we finished it. We figured we got it in at about an hour and 55 minutes. So it was a workout. It wasn't quite the beast, but it was definitely a super. So good times. We had a lot of fun. Now we're gonna get ready and jump in the car and head back home. All right, guys, so thanks again for joining us for this short video. Hopefully you had some fun just kind of seeing some of the highlights from this particular Spartan race. So again, this was a 10K Spartan race in Las Vegas, Nevada. We had some fun running it. And again, it was more of just kind of a physical and mental challenge to try and push ourselves beyond some of our normal comfort zone. When it comes to a self-reliance or preparedness kind of mindset, I often think about 3 different categories. First is planning. Do I have a plan in place based on my environment or scenarios I believe are the most likely? Have I prepared to the best of my ability for those plans with basic needs and or equipment to help myself adjust or get through that scenario? And then the last one is, do I have opportunities to practice using some of those tools? Do I have opportunities to practice by gaining new skills or mindset? And then these kind of fun activities to push myself maybe a little physically or mentally outside of my comfort zone. And these practice opportunities are fun to be able to spend time with family and friends doing some fun activities in different ways. So again, hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit that thumbs up, that like and subscribe button, and we'll look forward to having you join us on future and upcoming videos.